In the previous video, we learned how to create a search strategy and then save it and create a shareable link to it. In this video, we'll learn about how to make our searches smarter and more efficient. Let's return to the previous example where our research question concerned the role of physical activity in preventing obesity in older people. One of the immediate benefits of 2D search is that you can see hit counts for each block shown in the top right-hand corner. For example, this block is returning around 600,000 results, this one about 1.5 million, and this one about 5 million. Another benefit is that if you want to experiment with different combinations of blocks, you can simply enable or disable them on demand. For example, disabling this block changes the result count to that many results, whereas disabling one of the other blocks changes the result count again. And I can carry on round disabling and enabling blocks to find out the effect of different combinations. Now let's suppose that the focus of my research question changes to the role of physical activity in preventing obesity in younger people. Rather than starting the whole search over again, 2D search offers me a neat trick, the ability to import ready-made blocks into my search. So to change the focus of this search from older to younger people, I can simply disable the block for older people and then import a block that I created earlier for younger people. In this way, 2D search behaves like visual Lego. You can combine and recombine blocks at will, limited only by your imagination. In our next video, we'll look at how to use 2D search to visualize different searches in different ways